Magandang buhay po at welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo on how to solve for the value of x and y in a given figure. So if this figure is a kite, then we can use the concept or theorem of a kite to solve for the value of x and y. Okay, so let's start. We are going to solve for the value of x and y in this figure. Okay, so this side, the measurement is 2x minus 4. Then the other side, the measurement is x plus 3. Notice here, may tag-isa po silang markings. That means na itong dalawang sides na ito are equal or congruent. And yung remaining two sides, ito pong side na ito and this side, may markings po na tag-isang var o tag-dalawang var rather. That means they are equal or congruent. So kapag ganito po yung ating markings sa ating quadrilateral, understood na ito po ay kite. Ano po? Kasi sa kite, these two sides are congruent, then the other two sides are also congruent. Okay, so to solve for x, ito yung gagamitin natin, 2x minus 4 at x plus 3. Since sila ay congruent according to the figure, then i-equal lang po natin sila, then solve for x. And to solve for y, ito naman po yung ating gagamitin, y plus 7 at 3y minus 13. I-equal lang din po sila. Okay, let's try first for the value of x. Okay, so i-equal natin itong dalawa na ito since they are congruent sides. So equal din po yung kanilang measurements. Okay? So this become 2x minus 4 is equal to x plus 3. Okay? So ito po yung dalawa. So by using the concept of algebra, so solve for x. So ito pong x na ito ay nasa right ng equal sign. Transpose natin sa left. Okay, isama natin sa 2x dito. So ito po ay positive. If you transpose, that will become, change the sign, negative. So it's become 2x minus x. And then sa kabila naman ay 3, then plus 4. So paano po yon? Itong 3 po ay andito na po sa right ng equal side. Lahat po ng walang variable x ay nasa right ng equal side. Okay? Or equal sign rather. So ito po ay 3. Do not change the sign. Is still positive kasi nasa right. Hindi po natin tinawid. Pero itong minus 4, tatranspose po natin sa other side. Lilipat po natin, change the sign. So minus 4 magiging plus 4. Okay? Ito po, ulitin natin. Itong x magiging minus x dito. And then yung 2x, remain po siya dito sa left ng equal sign kasi siya po ay may variable. And then simplify. What is 2x minus x? That is 1x or just x is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 7. Okay? Solve na po natin yung value ng x. Okay? So about for the value of y. Okay? So ito naman po yung ating gagamitin since andito po yung variable y sa y plus 7 at sa 3y minus 13. So again, these two sides are congruent according to the markings. And again, ito po ay kite. So ibig sabihin, kapag kite, ito pong sides na ito are congruent. Okay? Or these consecutive sides are congruent. So equal din po natin sila. Okay? 3y minus 13 is equal to y plus 7. So kahit saan po yung mauna. Okay? So ito, ang inuna ko po ay 3y minus 13 kasi mas marami po o mas malaki po yung numerical coefficient ng y. At sa kabila naman po sa right ng equal sign, ito pong y plus 7. So kahit magkabaltad po sila, okay lang kasi equal naman po ito. Okay? So by simplification, itong y, lipat ulit natin dito sa ating left ng equal sign. So 3y minus y. Okay? So lahat po ng may variable lagay sa left ng equal sign. And then sa right ng equal sign ay yung term na walang variable. So ito po, remain po yung plus 7. So positive 7, kaya 7 po siya. And then yung minus 13, lipat natin sa right, magiging plus 13. Okay, change the sign. So 3y minus y is equal to 2y. And then yung 7 plus 13 is equal to 20. Okay, 2y is equal to 20. Ang kinakalculate po natin dito ay value of y. Since may kasamang 2, to remove 2, divide by 2 to both side of the equation. So the purpose doon, to cancel 2. So ang matitira po dito sa left ng equal sign ay ito pong y. So this become y is equal to 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the value of y is equal to 10. Okay, so salamat po sa iyong panood. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.